The best travel itinerary for Edinburgh. Edinburgh is a wonderful city to explore. Climb a volcano. See where JK Rowling got her inspiration for the Harry Potter series, tour a castle, and learn all about whiskey. If you have 2 days in Edinburgh, you have enough time to visit the best spots in the city. On day 1, you will tour the Royal Mile, starting at Edinburgh Castle and ending at Arthur's Seat. It's a lot of walking, so make sure you wear a comfortable pair of shoes. Edinburgh Castle is the centerpiece of the city. It sits upon Castle Rock, the remains of a dormant volcano. The castle was constructed in the 12th century and has been the site of tumultuous historical events spanning hundreds of years. Now, over 1 million visitors tour the castle every year. Camera Obscura is located 1 block down the Royal Mile from the Edinburgh Castle. If you are visiting Edinburgh with kids, this is an awesome spot to visit. 6 floors are filled with illusions, puzzles, and optical tricks. At the top of the building is the Camera Obscura show. During the show, see live moving images of Edinburgh projected onto a viewing table via a periscope. Or just enjoy the view over Edinburgh from the rooftop. It is one of the best views of the city. Continue the walk down the Royal Mile. Go shopping, take a break at a pub, and have your photo taken with one of the street performers. During the walk down the Royal Mile, there are several places we recommend visiting. St. Giles Cathedral. The steeple of St. Giles Cathedral is one of the icons of Edinburgh. This church was built in the 14th century and today is the main church of Edinburgh. It is free to visit. The ceiling of the nave is a brilliant blue and definitely worth a look. Mary King's Close. This is the perfect tour to learn about medieval life in Edinburgh. Journey back in time to 1645 Edinburgh down Mary King's Close, a real alleyway in the city. The Royal Mile ends at the Palace of Holyrood House. This palace is the official residence in Scotland of Queen Elizabeth. She resides here about 1 week every year. When the Queen is not here, the palace is open for visit. One of the main attractions are the chambers of Mary, Queen of Scots. Dynamic Earth is an earth science museum. In the 360-dig dome theater, witness the Big Bang, fly over a glacier, witness a volcano eruption, or plunge under the sea in a virtual submarine. This is great for kids and those with an interest in science. Arthur's Seat is located in Holyrood Park, just a few minutes walk from the Palace of Holyrood House. This large, grass-covered hill is the remains of an extinct volcano that erupted 350 million years ago. Arthur's Seat offers one of the best views of the city. Day 2. After breakfast, tour 1 or more of Edinburgh's best museums. Here are your options. The National Museum of Scotland. This museum has a little bit of everything. World cultures, science and technology, Scottish history, art, and exhibits about the natural world. If you are traveling with kids, this museum is your best bet to keep them entertained. Plus, the museum is free. Scottish National Gallery. This is a must for art lovers. Located on the Mound, the Scottish National Gallery is free to visit. After your visit, consider a stroll through the Princes Street Gardens or climb the Scott Monument for another bird's-eye view of Edinburgh. Royal Yacht Britannia. This is one of the most famous ships in the world. It was home to the royal family as they cruised to various ports around the world on official visits. Now you can tour this floating palace. If you are a Harry Potter fan, consider taking a walking tour, visiting the sites that served as the inspiration for scenes in the Harry Potter series. The Potter Trail offers a free tour that covers most of the Old Town of Edinburgh. This 2-hour walking tour has a small group size and gets rave reviews. Beautiful Dean Village. Dean Village is a small residential area in Edinburgh. It's quiet, it's beautiful, and it's off the beaten path. Now you know all the best places to visit in Edinburgh. Enjoy your time in Edinburgh.
Thanks for watching.